Embark on a thrilling journey into tomorrow's tech with the top 10 futuristic gadgets that redefine innovation and captivate imagination. Welcome everyone to our channel. Today, I am thrilled to present an exciting topic, the top 10 futuristic gadgets available for purchase today. Prepare to be amazed as we explore these cutting-edge and innovative devices that offer a remarkable glimpse into the future of technology. From groundbreaking advancements to revolutionary features, these gadgets are sure to leave you awestruck. So let's dive right in and discover the incredible world of tomorrow's tech. Number 1. Oculus Quest 2. The Oculus Quest 2 is a virtual reality headset that lets you experience immersive worlds and games. It has a high-resolution display, a comfortable design, and a wide range of games and apps. It's one of the most advanced VR headsets on the market, and it's a great way to get a taste of the future of gaming. It is a great choice for people who want to experience VR without having to connect to a PC or smartphone. Number 2. Sonos Roam. Sonos Roam is a portable Bluetooth speaker that is designed to be taken with you wherever you go. It is small and lightweight, so it is easy to carry, and it has a long battery life, so you can listen to music for hours on end. The Sonos Roam is also water-resistant and dust-proof, so you can take it with you to the beach, the pool, or the park. It also has a built-in microphone, so you can use it to make phone calls or control your smart home devices. Number 3. Samsung Flex Hybrid Foldable Laptop Screen. The Samsung Flex Hybrid Foldable Laptop Screen is a new type of display that combines the flexibility of a foldable phone with the power of a laptop. It can be folded in half like a traditional laptop, or it can be unfolded to create a larger tablet-like display. The Flex Hybrid is still in development, but it has the potential to be a game-changer for the laptop market. It could offer users the best of both worlds, the portability of a tablet with the power and productivity of a laptop. Number 4. Magic Leap 2 AR Glasses. The Magic Leap 2 is a high-end AR headset that offers a more immersive experience than other AR headsets on the market. It has a wider field of view, better resolution, and more powerful processing capabilities. It's also more comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. The Magic Leap 2 is still in development, but it has the potential to be one of the most groundbreaking AR headsets ever created. It could revolutionize the way we interact with technology, and it could open up new possibilities for gaming, education, and business. Number 5. Elgato Stream Deck Plus. Elgato Stream Deck Plus is a powerful tool for streamers and content creators. It lets you control your stream with a single button press, and it can be customized to fit your specific needs. It has 15 LCD keys that can be programmed to do anything you want. You can use them to launch scenes, start recordings, switch between sources, and more. You can also create custom macros and shortcuts, so you can do even more with a single button press. The Stream Deck Plus is a great way to streamline your workflow and make your streams more professional. It's also a lot of fun to customize, so you can really make it your own. Number 6. Sony ZV-1 2 Vlog Camera. Sony ZV-1 2 Vlog Camera is a compact and versatile camera that is designed for vloggers and content creators. It features a 1.0 type stack CMOS sensor and a 24-70mm equivalent lens, which can capture stunning video and photos. The camera also has a number of features that are specifically designed for vlogging, such as built-in ND filter and a flip-up screen and a hot shoe for attaching microphones and lights. The Sony ZV-1 2 is a great choice for vloggers who want a camera that is easy to use and that can produce high-quality content. It is also a good option for people who want a camera that can be used for both videos and photography. Number 7. Samsung Flex S Folding Smartphone. The Samsung Flex S is a folding smartphone that is still in development, but it has the potential to be one of the most futuristic gadgets on the market. The phone folds in half like a book, and it can be used in both tablet and smartphone modes. It's also rumored to have a built-in projector, which would make it a truly versatile device. Number 8. Moxie Robot. Moxie Robot is a social robot that can help kids learn and grow. It is designed to be a companion for kids, and it can help them with things like reading, math, and social skills. Moxie can also play games, tell jokes, and have conversations with kids. Moxie is powered by artificial intelligence, and it's constantly learning and adapting. It can remember what kids like to do and talk about, and it can tailor its interactions accordingly. Moxie is also able to track kids' progress, and it can provide feedback to help them improve their skills. Moxie is still in development, but it has the potential to be a valuable tool for parents and educators. It's a great way to help kids learn and grow, and it can also provide companionship and support. Number 9. Loop Neck Pillow. Loop Neck Pillow is a new type of pillow that helps to reduce neck pain and improve sleep quality. It's made of a soft, flexible material that conforms to your neck, and it has a built-in cooling system to help you stay comfortable. It is designed to provide support and comfort for your neck and shoulders. The spiral design helps to distribute your weight evenly, and the cooling system helps to keep you cool and comfortable. The pillow is also machine washable, so it's easy to keep clean. The Loop Neck Pillow is a great option for people who suffer from neck pain or who have trouble sleeping. It's also a good choice for people who travel frequently, as it can be easily folded up and stored. Number 10. Larq Bottle Filtered. Larq Bottle Filtered is a water bottle that uses a combination of nano zero filtration technology and UVC light to remove impurities and bacteria from water. The nano zero filter removes chlorine, lead, heavy metals, mercury, cadmium, particulates, and more. The UVC light neutralizes harmful bacteria and viruses. The Larq Bottle Filtered is a great way to stay hydrated and healthy. It's also a stylish and sustainable way to carry your water. The bottle is made of stainless steel, so it's durable and BPA-free. It also comes with a lifetime warranty. Thank you all for joining me on this journey through the world of futuristic gadgets. We've only scratched the surface, and what's available today and the possibilities for future advancements are truly exciting. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with the latest tech trends, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be part of our vibrant community and never miss out on the latest gadget reviews and exclusive content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.